YouTube, welcome back to a new video. And as you can see on my screen, I have a game icon right here. So today, this video is interesting because you can read by the title, I was hired to make a couple of anime game icons. So I have made two currently. I think there's a total of 4 that I am supposed to make. So here is the first one, the Norisso icon. Let's go to the first layer. It's just the background I was going to use, but I did not end up actually using it. Here's the background with the effects. Here's a little zoom blur to focus on the character. As you can see, here's the character right here. I added some lighting. This is the raw render actually without these effects. This is the raw render right here. So here's just some lighting that I brushed on. Here's this cool little effect layered up, some smoke as you can see over here, some texturing smoke, some vignettes, these two, no, some color lookups and vignette, and then finally some of these spark effects right here, some filters and camera raw filter texturing over and over, and we get a result like this right here, some particles. So I think this is a really cool icon. I think the next one is a My Hero Academia icon that I'm supposed to do, so we're going to make that. But right after I show you this one, the Zoro icon from One Piece. So as you can see, I like his clothing here a lot. Let me turn these off. I'm just showing you guys the layers. You can fast forward if you are not interested in seeing this process. But anyways, I added a little ocean that I did not use anyways, but here's the background. It's just a texture with some blur, and then the texture smoke again twice, some smoke at the bottom, the same texture in the background, some sparks here. Alright, here's the character. You see the brushing right here makes a huge difference, and also the layer style. So there we go. This is supposed to be turned off. Okay, alright, here's just some more brushing on the belt thingy, some effects on the sword, some more smoke, sparks and lighting, vignettes, and finally we have the color corrections, which makes the finished piece look really nice. That was not supposed to be like that. I'm testing out some faces. These don't that looks really silly, so I can't really find some good faces, so I ended up using this Roblox face. But I think now we're gonna move on to the next icons, and yeah, we're going to be working on those. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what else you want to see, and yeah. Alright, so just before we hop into Blender, I'm gonna show you guys the pets that I have to work on. As you can see, there are 2 for each anime series. For the Dragon Ball icons, I really like this Frieza model, but we're going to have to see. Anyways, I'm going to export this and let's get working. Alright, so finally here we are inside Blender. As you guys can see, I'm gonna delete the Zoro. Alright guys, so just a little note, I have decided to split this into 2 videos. So I'm gonna show the Blender process in this one, but in the next one I'm going to show the Photoshop process because I want to do a voiceover and just kind of walk you guys through what I'm doing in Photoshop. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, just let me save this file real quick. Okay, so let's grab this icon and let's move him towards the camera. Right there. Boom. Alright, the hair is a bit messed up, so we're gonna have to fix that. Right here is the reason why it's messed up. Insert texture here. Okay, remove the texture. Alright, I think it's fine. There we go. It's a quick and easy fix. Let's add some specular to his hair. There we go. Alright, here's the render preview. We were previously in the texture mode, so I think I'm gonna stick with this HDRI. We could add a sunlight. I think that'll be interesting. Let's just give this a try and see how it looks. Let's bring this up 50. Alright, we're going to have to rotate this around. Alright, so here is one sun. I think it could go well right here, like so. As for the second one, we're going to have to move this around. Kind of like this right here. This is pretty cool. 150. Kind of like a glow back there. Let's copy this again. Render mode. Alright, let's keep playing with this. See what else. See what else we got. I like this. This is nice. Let's turn down like so. As for the hair, I think the specular is too high. Let's drop it down. Metallic. Let's drop this down as well. Right, this is fair to me. For the clothes. Alright, I like this. This is super cool. Yeah. Alright, I think this is ready to render. Alright, so before we head into Photoshop, here is the final render. As you guys can see, it's pretty cool. But we are going to make this a lot better, so stay tuned for that. Alright YouTube, so like I said earlier, that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one where I'm going to show you guys the Photoshop process. Drop a like if you enjoyed, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next part.